In this video, I will show you how to send from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So first of all, we're going to open up our Phantom Wallet, and after that, we are going to the Home tab, and then we're going to click on Send, or you can just go to the crypto or the asset that you want to send, and then click on Send from there. So I'm just going to click on Send from the Home tab, and now I need to select the asset that I want to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer Ethereum, then I'm going to click on this in here, and now I need to click on Allow Paste, because in here we need to fill in the wallet address from our Coinbase. So let's go over to Coinbase to get this wallet address. So in Coinbase, we need to go to the Home tab and then click on Transfer in here. Once we do that, we need to click on Receive Crypto. So let's go ahead and do that. And from here, select the asset that you want to transfer. And in this tutorial, I went with Ethereum, so I'm going to click on Ethereum in here. And right now it is supported to select the same network. So I'm just going with the default Ethereum network, and you also need to select this on your Phantom wallet. So let's go ahead and click on this. And now we will have our wallet address, which we can copy to the clipboard. And now we can go back to Phantom and paste this in. So let's go over to Phantom wallet now. So we're pasting in the wallet address, and after that, we're going to click on Next at the bottom. And now enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to send. I'm just going with everything I have, so I'm going to click on Max, and then I'm going to click on Next all the way at the bottom. So in here you will see all the details of your transaction. Make sure everything is alright and that the network is also alright, and you will also see the fee in here. And after everything is finished, go ahead and click on Send. So as you can see, I've successfully sent my Ethereum, so now I can go to my Coinbase to see if it's already there. So let's go ahead and open Coinbase right now. So I can see from my transaction list that this transfer is pending right now, so it will take a couple of minutes, maybe an hour, until this is in my account. So this is how you can send from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. If you're sending different crypto, it basically works the same like this, but then for a different crypto asset. Always remember that the most important thing is to match the network on your first wallet and on your second wallet, so in this case Phantom Wallet and Coinbase, because if they do not match, your crypto might get lost in a transaction. So that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.